G'day, my name's Damien McHugh and I'm the Chief Marketing Officer at Momentum Health Solutions. We're often asked what are the differences between health insurance and medical schemes. And there are clear distinctions between the two. Health insurance products are quite broad, or the category is quite broad, and there are different types of health insurance. I don't want to focus on all of them, but some examples of health insurance include gap products, travel insurance, hospital cash plans, emergency cover, dread disease, and more recently we have seen the importance of health or affordable health insurance products. Some of health insurance products complement the cover you get in a medical scheme. So as an example, you may have a medical scheme with a gap product. The gap product complements the benefits that the medical scheme offers. In that way, if you're hospitalized, the medical scheme will provide majority of the cover, and the gap insurance will supplement that if there are shortfalls. But there are other types of health insurance, and there are types of health insurance which, if you like, compete with medical schemes. And I want to focus on those affordable healthcare insurance solutions. Let's talk about the main differences between those products and medical schemes. A medical scheme has to, by law, cover a minimum set of benefits. These benefits are called prescribed minimum benefits, or PMBs. They cover more than 270 hospitalization events, a minimum of 26 chronic conditions, and so on. Now that minimum set of benefits obviously has a base price. Some options on medical schemes will cover more than those PMBs, and the more they provide, the higher the price becomes, or the more expensive it becomes. So the more cover you have, the higher the price. Most medical schemes offer a range of options, let's say A, B, C, D. And A is from the lowest similar benefit or to PMBs with the lowest price, and as you go up to B, C, and D, you get higher options with higher price. So more cover costing you more money. Now health insurance or the health insurance solutions don't have those PMBs or minimum sets of benefits, and therefore the price they can charge is much less. But that is because the cover they provide is less than a medical scheme. So in other words, they may not have to cover 270 hospitalization events. Affordable health insurance products generally provide good quality primary care cover for doctors, medicine, basic x-rays, pathology, glasses, those types of things. And generally the cover there is really, really good. In fact, very similar to what medical schemes provide. But the cover for hospitalization and chronic illnesses will be significantly less. This means, as a potential user of health insurance, you will still get and receive good day-to-day benefits, but not as good hospitalization and chronic cover. In fact, in some cases, health insurance solutions don't cover those benefits at all. In other words, you will just get day-to-day benefits. What we've seen lately is a lot of the health insurance products have now added some hospital cash plans or emergency cover or maternity cover to the day-to-day cover that they provide. And that's a wonderful enhancement. But generally, they still won't provide as comprehensive cover as what you'll get on a medical scheme for those events. Medical aids generally have very high or no overall annual limits on private hospitalization cover, while the insurance equivalents will have daily benefits or annual limits on the hospitalization benefits they offer. So you can see more restrictive in the insurance world. In addition, medical schemes will generally reimburse the providers directly, while insurance products will pay you, the member, and then you will be responsible to pay the providers. And be careful, because sometimes they pay into your account, you forget about it, spend that money, and then you have to come up with that money when the doctor or the hospital is asking you for it. So in conclusion, be careful that you don't simply choose to belong to health insurance just to save money quickly. I understand that in the financial climate that many of us in South Africa are facing, that is often the easy answer. I just need to save some money. But often that may cost you in the longer term, as the cover you require is not there in the latter part of the year. However, at the very least, if you cannot afford a medical scheme or a medical scheme option, and you can afford health insurance, that level of cover is better than no cover at all.